Funny noises from the body this morning. Uh, my name is Mehro, and this is a performance I got for Atwood, and I hope that you enjoy it. First song I'm singing for you is called Dopamine. I'm in a wrestling match with myself again, wonder who's gonna win. Sumo on the one side, put on the drumline, maybe they'll be friends. Who knows what they say, who knows when the feelings change. Miranda's on the porch, swing car's got a diamond ring, maybe out of mouse hair. And you're the kids doing drums, getting out, getting fucked, wonder how it really feels. Who knows what they say, who knows when the feelings change.